In the next few minutes, we are going to build this chatbot from scratch using Python. Watch this. And the best part is you can build this entire project using only basic Python. So if you have learned variables, input, if else, loops, strings, lists, and importing modules, you are ready. Let's build it step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are building a personal assistant chatbot in Python. This isn't AI like ChatGPT. Instead, we are creating a rule-based chatbot. That means our chatbot replies according to the commands the user enters. Although simple, this project teaches many important Python concepts used in real applications. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own chatbot and you'll also learn several useful Python functions. Let's begin. Whenever we create a program, we first think, what should our chatbot do? Let's make a list. Our chatbot should greet the user, tell current time, tell today's day, tell a random motivational quote, tell a random joke, convert text to uppercase, convert text to lowercase, reverse any string, count the number of characters, show available commands, exit the program. That's quite useful for a beginner project. Now let's start coding. Many beginners directly type imports without knowing why. Let's understand them. Python already contains thousands of useful programs. These ready-made programs are stored inside modules. Instead of writing everything ourselves, we simply import what we need. Here, import random allows us to generate random values. We'll use it to display a random quote and joke. This imports only the datetime class from the datetime module. We'll use it to get the current date and time. Notice the difference. Import random imports the whole module, whereas from datetime import datetime imports only one thing from that module. These are simply welcome messages. Notice \n, it inserts a blank line. This improves readability. Now we are going to create something new, a list. A list stores multiple values inside one variable. Notice square brackets. Square brackets represent a list. Each item is separated using commas. Later, our chatbot will randomly choose one quote from this list. Similarly, we have created another list, jokes. Chatbot will randomly choose one joke from this list. This is one of the most important lines. Let's understand every part. While true, a chatbot shouldn't stop after answering once. It should keep talking until the user exits. That's why we use while true, which creates an infinite loop. The program keeps repeating forever unless we stop it using break. We'll use break later. Input takes data from the keyboard. Whatever the user types gets stored in the variable user. Now strip. Suppose the user types hello or hello with extra spaces. Without strip, Python sees them as different. Strip removes spaces from the beginning and end. Next is lower. Now imagine one user types hello, another types hello, someone types hello. Without lower, we would have to use many conditions. Instead, lower converts everything into lowercase. So all of these become hello in small letters, making our program much simpler. This is why chaining methods like input, strip, lower is very common in Python. Let's run this. Works. Works. So because of this lower function, the program is working. Even if I typed H capital in hello and H and I both capital in hi, this program is working with the help of lower function. Or in this condition means either this condition or that condition. If either one is true, Python executes the block. Let's understand these lines. Datetime.now gives the current date and time from the computer. The computer stores date in a format that isn't very readable. strftime formats it. %d means day, %m means month, %y means 4-digit year. So if today is 1st January 2000, the output becomes 01/01/2002. Let's run this. %i means hour, %m means minute, %s is second, %p is am or pm. Let's run this. Now our chatbot can greet the user, tell today's time, tell today's date, tell current time. In the next part, we'll make it much smarter by adding random quotes, random jokes, reverse text, and many more. In the next part, we'll continue directly from this code without repeating anything. Remember, don't just watch the code, write it, run it, break it, fix it, and that's how you become a programmer. See you in the next one.